what resources do you find yourself, leaning towards to learn more about the industry and hone your skills and your knowledge? Where do you go for new ideas and thoughts in this industry?
Wow, I mean, that's a great question. I mean, the best, I tell you, 100% SMRP conference. Whether it's a symposium conference, I tell you, it's no smoke and mirrors. The people that are speaking there, firsthand, this is what I did. Be prepared. If you come, have a list of issues you have in your plant and look for those ahead of time so you got it mapped out, which session you want to go to, and then what the expectations are when you come back. And you may even, if there's a consultant there, and say, I like what he said, you may want to say, can I bring you back with me? When can you come see me? Because there's nothing wrong with that. It works well. Other conferences I like, International Maintenance Conference, and I tell you, that's an awesome conference. What I like to do there is go there and breakfast in the morning, and you meet one person there that's really like glum. You're like, oh my God. Not they drank too much. It's just they're bummed out about what they're hearing. And I ask them, so how's things going? They're going good, I said, how do you think the conference is going? I've learned a lot. A lot. I just don't know how to put it in action. I said, okay, this is the way I look at it. Just pick one or two things that you've learned and take it back with you. One or two things. Like I say, the guy that was speaking in that session, buy him a beer that night, or buy him dinner or something and get their ideas. And that way you can take it back with you. Never go to a conference without bringing some action items back. Don't ever do that. It's a waste of your time and a waste of the company's money.